Okay, so when we are looking for places on a map, we can use latitude. These are the lines that go side to side. So this one right here where it says 40, this goes all the way around the world, right? Since the world is a sphere, it goes all the way around. 45, 35, 30, 25, 20, etc. It's going to go down all the way to 0 where the equator is. Then it goes down even further. These are our latitude lines. So the first one that we're looking for right here, 50 degrees north, we're looking, okay, which way of these side to side, these latitude lines, where is it? Well, here's 40, 45, and 50. 50 is up here, so I'm going to move this down a little bit. And now I have to look for the second line. These are the vertical lines this way. These are the longitude lines. And now I'm looking for 110 degrees west. So let me look at my vertical lines. I see that I've got 95 degrees west here. And over here is 90, so it must go this way up. So 100, 105, 110. So I'm looking for 50 degrees north by 110. So here's my 110, and we started off with the 50. Here's the 50 line. So where those two meet, right here, this is exactly where we're looking for. So let's zoom in a little bit. Our choices are Los Angeles, New York City, Philadelphia, or Medicine Hat. So I see Medicine Hat right here. It's pretty close. It's not exactly where the two lines meet, but for what we're doing, our purposes today, we're just looking more or less. But the exact spot would be right where those two spots, those two lines, the 50 degrees north, that's this one right here, and the 100 degree west, right where they cross, that is the exact place we are talking about. So today, this would be right next to a little lake here near Cummings. Okay, so that's the first one. So our answer for this would be Medicine Hat. Okay, so now let's look at our second one, and this time we are going to be looking at 40 degrees north by 80 degrees west. Let's start with our latitude lines, the side-to-side lines, and again we're looking for 40 degrees now north. Okay, so we were just at 50, so let me zoom out a little bit. Here's our 50 line. Here's 55, so I'm going to go down toward the equator a little bit. I'm going to go to 40 degrees north. And here it is. Here is our 40 degree north line. And now I need to find 80 degrees west. Well, in our previous search, it was the 110 degree west, and that's right here. So now we're going 80. So I know it's going to be to the right. So I'm going to click and drag the map. I'm keeping that 40 degree north line right in the middle there, and I'm looking to where 80 degrees is. I see 95, 90, 85, 80, and here we are, right around here. So let's look at our choices. We've got, first of all, 40 degrees north by 80. Here's the 80, right where those two lines meet. That is our point. Now, for today's work, we are just looking more or less. So is it Chico, Chicago, St. Louis, or Pittsburgh? We're looking right here. I can already see Pittsburgh, and it's got to be that. St. Louis is way over here. St. Louis would be closer to what? See if you can figure that out. What's this point right here closest to? All right, so we start right here. It would be 40 degrees north by 90 degrees west. That's more or less where St. Louis or Springfield is. But we're looking right here at 40 degrees north by 80, and that would be Pittsburgh. Okay, let's see if you can do the final three on your own. And if not, send me an email or ask me in class. All right, hope this helped you. Bye.